Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Value of this week is cooperation. And here is the quote. Alone we are smart. Together we are brilliant. Welcome to class 6. Topic of this video is area of a triangle. Now let's see how to find the area of a triangle. In this video, we are going to learn how to find the area of a triangle using a rectangle. Let me show how. As we know how to find the area of a rectangle, just multiply to adjacent sides length times width. Notice that these sides form a right angle where they meet. On this rectangle, the length is 4 cm and width is 3 cm. Area is length times width. So 4 cm times 3 cm is 12 cm squared. Let's keep a note of that area. Now check this out. If we cut the same rectangle in half diagonally, we get two congruent triangles. Each has one side that measures 4 cm and adjacent side that measures 3 cm. Each triangle is half of the rectangle. So this triangle is half of the area of a rectangle. The rectangle had an area of 12 cm squared. So the triangle area is half of that. And half of 12 is 6 cm squared. So to find the area of a triangle, first we find the right angle like the corner of a rectangle. We multiply base and height like finding the area of a rectangle. 2 cm into 5 cm is 10 cm squared. Then we divide that figure by 2. Half of 10 cm squared is 5 cm squared. It's just like cutting the rectangle in half. Hence, the area of a triangle is 5 cm squared. When you are finding the area of a triangle by yourself, it will help you to write down the steps before you start. We find the base times the height. Then we divide that by 2. It's like a prompt to help you complete all the steps and we call it a formula. So the formula is area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2. Similarly, we can find the area of a triangle using square and parallelogram. If we cut the square in half diagonally, we get two congruent triangles, and if we cut parallelogram in half diagonally, we get two congruent triangles. So we can derive the same formula of area of a triangle, base times height divided by 2, from both figures, square and parallelogram. Now let's consider some examples. Here is a right angle triangle. We need the side that meet at the right angle. They are 4 cm and 7 cm. Remember, the area of the triangle is base times height divided by 2. First of all, we multiply base with the height. 4 into 7 is 28. Then we divide by 2 like cutting a rectangle in half. 28 divided by 2 is 14. Hence, the area of a triangle is 14 cm squared. Now consider a second example. It is not a right angle triangle. Here, the base is 5 cm and height is 8 cm. As we know that the area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2. So 5 cm times 8 cm is 40 cm squared. Divided it by 2, 20 cm squared. Hence, the area of the triangle is 20 centimeters squared. Now look at the exercise 11.5. Question number 1 is, find the area of the following triangles. This question consists of 8 parts. Now we are going to solve the third part of this question 1. Given, base of the triangle is 14.4 centimeter. Height of the triangle is 12.5 centimeter. We have to find the area of the triangle. As we know that the area of a triangle is half base times height. Now by putting the values in this formula, half 14.4 centimeter times 12.5 centimeter, which is 180 centimeters squared. 180 divided by 2 is 90. Hence, area of a triangle is 90 centimeters squared. Here we have solved one part of the question. Now you have to solve the remaining parts in your notebooks in similar way. In this video, we have learnt the derivation of the formula for area of a triangle. Now what is the formula? Area of a triangle is half base times height. Remember one thing, with area, always use the unit of measurement squared. Thank you. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.